die, wrap me in white, lay me gently out of sight. Cold earth waiting, silent grave, nothing left that I can say. All I asked my God that day, give me time, don't take away. Let me fix what I left undone before my journey's truly done. I had words I never said, tears I hid and paths I fled, hearts I broke without a sound. Sorry lost, but never found. Just a moment, just one chance to go back and rewrite my past, to say forgive me from my soul before I lose my final role. Now I lie in silence deep, while the living wake and weep. All my dreams left far behind, only regrets within my mind. So don't wait like I have done. Life is short, it quickly runs. Say you're sorry, show your care before you're gone and not there. Because one day white cloth will cover you, and the world will slowly forget you too. Only your deeds will walk beside in the darkness where souls reside.